Okay, so today's question is minimum moves to equal array elements. Okay, so the question says you are given an integer array nums. In one move, you may increase the value of any single element nums of I by one and return the minimum total number of moves required so that all the elements in nums become equal. So see, in this question, we are given simply an array, right? And in array, we can do a single, not single, we can do the operation any number of time. Okay, and basically we have to remove, we have to return the minimum total number of operations, or you can say moves, which will be required to make all the elements of the nums equal, right? Now, what is the operation here which we have to do? The operation is simply we have to increase the element, okay, a single element of the array by one, okay, and the option is that we can only increase the number, okay, we can't decrease or can't multiply by, okay, and so see what will be the simple approach? Very simple. See, if there is an array, right? Then if you have to make the elements of the array equal, right? And we have an option, then we can just increase an element, okay, by one. So simply what we can do is we will simply increase every number, every element. Okay, we will make every element of the array equals to the maximum element in the array, right? Because we can increase the number, we can't decrease. Okay, it's very simple. Now see, if if for example it is one, right, and we have to make one, two, three, then how many ones should be added to make it three? Very simple. Will be subtract three minus one. Okay, it will give two, and similarly we have to increase the one two times by one, right, to get three. Okay, so simply what we will do here. See, I will do here. I will write int result. If I will write int answer equals to zero and okay, and first of all, I will find the maximum element of the array, right? So I will write int max, or you can say int m equals to. Okay, let's see first of all that what is the constraint. Okay, so the constraint is that the nums should be greater than one. Okay, the element should be greater than one. So I will initiate the variable m with minus one, and I will write here auto el of nums, and here simply will write m equals to maximum of m and l. Okay, so we got the maximum number, right? So now what will I do here is simply will write uh, oh, now see, for auto el means basically for every element of, or you can say for every element in nums, what we will do here, we will find the difference between the maximum element, okay, and the difference between the difference between maximum element and the element which we are iterating, okay, and we'll add these differences in the answer, okay. So I will write answer plus equals to bracket, in bracket I will write m minus el, okay, simple, and we'll return this answer, okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's accepted here and it's accepted here also, okay. So this was a very simple question, okay, nothing to think about much more in this question, okay. So I think that's all. So thank you.